explained about push buttons. Push buttons. In that push buttons also only 3 push buttons I discussed. Okay, correct? Create. Okay, create. Okay, clear and exit push buttons. Okay, exit buttons. The same way I had given here, create, exit. Okay, clear. Had given. Okay, same like I had given another exercise for you. You can practice it. Display, edit, and one more something update. Okay, display. Okay, display. Okay, update. Okay, delete. Okay, delete like this. Okay, these are all the options. Okay, options. Now today we are going to learn with the table control. Okay, table control. Okay. Here, what is the meaning of table control? Okay, this is the table control. You can display our data in this type of screen. In this type of screen. This is push button. This is also push button. This is one table. This is like a customer. This is sales number. Sales are taken, created by any fields. Okay, any other fields. Display button. Exit button. Okay, exit button. This type of table control we have to generate it. We have to create it. Here, my requirement is here. Table control. This is concept name, is example name is like requirement. My requirement is how to create requirement, how to create table control program in ABAP based on customer information with the sales order data. Customer information, if you enter sales order data should come. Okay, here. Okay, customer information with the sales order date, sales order information. Sales order date, sales order information is nothing but a VBAK table. Customer information is nothing but a customer data is nothing but a, okay, that is KNA1 table. 2 tables we are using. Okay, one is KNA. Okay, here. This is my requirement. Okay, under this requirement, this is the example. Okay, here I will write it clearly. This is a table name. Table name with field KNA1 hyphen KNA. This is a table control. Okay, this is a, these two are push buttons. Write down clearly. This screen you can write down clearly. Push button. Okay, 1 second. These are all the push buttons. Okay. To design these push buttons and to design this total screen, we need one screen number. Okay, one screen number. Okay, 9,000. Okay. This is my requirement. Procedure is same, but in this session, in this particular session, we will create PBO and PI. Flow also I will explain. This is a requirement. Okay, data flow, how it is working, I will explain now flow. Both we are using PBO and PI. Now, Okay, this is a flow, data flow. Okay, this is database. Okay, database. This is memory, runtime. This is output. Output. Here, I will, as a user, I will enter customer 1000. I will enter. This 1000 is input. Whenever you enter the input, if you click here display button, display means display is nothing but PAI. PAI will work. Okay, PAI it will work. Then immediately that action will go to the PAI action will go to the database. It will fetch from database to internal table. Data will come here. Okay, PAI. Okay, display will work. Okay, display will work. Okay, this display is nothing but a PAI. Okay, display. Okay, 1 second. I written opposite. Okay, opposite. Okay, I will click here from database. Okay, once if I click here, PAI will. Okay, meaning it will fetch data from database to internal table. It will be more data. PAI means we'll write the select query. From whenever the data will move to the internal table we will transfer this internal table data to by using PBO. Okay, PBO, that is we are calling process before output. Okay, process before output. Okay, process before output. Okay, this is a requirement. Means here last class only I worked with PA only, but in this class I am going to work with the PBO also. How to write the code? Okay, what code you will write it in PBO? PBO means process before output, process after input. Okay, very useful program. Okay, in runtime. Okay, in real time also, or examinations also. This type of program they will give. Now, to create this program, okay, in this session I will complete it. One more example, two more examples I will give for practice. Okay, I will give for practice. Steps to create. Okay, steps to create. Any doubt, Praveen, Satish, Amit? Yeah. If instead of this table, another table you can take it, either material table, and you can display the material master data here and display. You can take multiple tables also. Okay, anything you can do it. One example I'll show, then I will give another example. You can practice that one. Okay, steps. What is the first step? Okay, how many transaction code we can use? SC38, SC51, SC91, SC93. All we can use it. One by one. Step 1, SC38. Right. Step to create program. Go to SC38. Go to SC38 and click on here Z. Okay, Z like screen underscore table. Any name. Click on create button. Okay, click on create button. Screen program. Okay, screen program. And click on executable program. Sorry, module pool program. Select the customer production program. Select here sales. This is we are working with the module pool. Okay, that is only called dialog program. And click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, enter the package. Continue. Okay, continue. Okay, I think request is deleted. I think somebody. I'll create it a new request. Okay, new request has come. Continue. Continue. New request has come. No. Okay, this is ready. Here we will maintain the clear screens. Okay, first save it and activate it. Let's save and activate. Okay, now this is active. Okay, this is active. Come back. Come back, copy this program name, go to SC51. Okay, the same program name you have to enter. Same program name. Why? Screen painter. Screen painter means this screen we have to design. This is we are calling total. We are calling layout. Okay, layout. Okay, layout I have to design. To design that layout, we will do that. Okay, all the procedures. Enter the screen number. Click on create button. Okay, click on create button. Then you can enter the short description. Why is a table control program? Click on save option. Click on save option. Go to here layout. Layout means this layout design, only design. This layout will design the here layout design. Okay, layout design. Okay, click out layout design. Okay, here we can select here first. Say this is a layout design. Once if you open here, okay, you can select here. Go to option secondary window dictionary program tools. Why we need here dictionary program? I have to select here customer field. Customer field. Customer field from which table? KNA1. What is the field name? KUNR. I am going to select the KNA1 field. Select here. Go to secondary window dictionary program tools. Enter here KNA1. KNA1 and click from get from dictionary. Okay, click from. Select the field. Only one field is enough. Why? Only input only this is, not like a output. Copy and paste. Don't select many fields. If you select many fields, okay, then it will be same like last program. No, I don't want to like that. Okay, I have to display in table format. Okay, then we have here table control is there. One option is okay, this is a name. We can use either wizard or we can use either without wizard. Wizard, if you use it, unnecessary coding will come. Okay, to avoid that coding, we are using here normal table control. Okay, normal table control. Normal table control. Just select the table control, drag and drop it. Okay, drag and drop it. Okay, double click on this. Double click on this. Enter the description here. The table. Enter. This name you have to remember. This name. Why? We have to maintain the code in SE38. Okay, that's what. Remember this code. For this table, I am going to maintain one code. That code is table. Close here. Then double click here once again. Here we have sizing. Like rows I need, columns I need. Just maintain here separators. Okay, maintain here separators. And sizing, resize. You can drag it, resize. Means vertical and horizontal separator. Okay, vertical and horizontal. Then select once again same, go to secondary window dictionary program tools. Okay, dictionary program. Click this one. Here this all fields from this all sales order number, all the fields are from VBAK table, not like KNA1. Okay, VBAK table. I have to select here. I have to select here another table, not like same table. Say another table, VBAK. Get from dictionary. Then VBAK fields will come. Okay, VBAK fields will come. Just select here 4 fields. Continue. Drag and drop it here. Drag and drop it here. On top left corner you have to drop it. I'll show once again. Remove it. Go to once again the same table. Get from dictionary. Select VBLN, ERDAT, ERJDT, ERNAM. Select it. Wherever you want to drop it, you can drop it like this. Top edge corner. Then I have to adjust the size. If 4 fields are written, these 4 fields, the 4 fields are dragged here. These 4 fields information you have to observe here. See here, VBLN, this is internal table you have to declare. For this field you have to declare. For this field, for this. These 4 fields we have to declare internal table. Okay, internal table. Then table is over. Table is over. Then same procedure. Okay, same procedure. Okay, this is a sales document. Okay, this is a sales document. Like this is display button. Okay, display. Okay, display. And click on DIS. Okay, click on DIS. Okay, click on DIS. Then close. Okay, DIS. Any doubt, Amit? Amit, any doubt? Okay. Next, display. And as well as you have to click here, exit. Okay, exit. Okay, just click here, maintain here push button, exit, exit, remove, and then as well as EXI. Here EXI is another one. Okay, no. Over. Okay, over. Now my screen is designing is over. Okay. If you want 10 fields also you can declare it. But all 10 fields information you have to know like VBLN, ERDAT, ERJDT, ERNAM. All 10 fields you have to create internal table. Okay, internal table. Now this is done. Close here. Save this code. Save this code. Okay, go to flow logic. Okay, flow logic. Okay, once if you click flow logic after save, then it will ask the program. Okay, module pull program. Still running. Still because first time it is taking so much time. I have to cancel this session, then I have to create it once again. See, it is taking so much time. Okay, let me create one more time with one more session. See, I don't know why it is. Okay, whenever I click first time, it is taking too much time. Then I have to enter once again. Okay, enter here. Same program name, same screen number. Click on change button. Okay, see, after layout. After layout. Okay, then after save button, then logic. Immediately it will come like this. Here we will use this class. Last class I used only PI. I commented uncommented only this one, but this class you have to uncomment both. You have to remove stars from the screen. Okay, you have to start, you have to remove both. Why means we'll use a PI code, we'll use a PBO code, both we can use it. Okay, right. Double click on user command. Okay, double click on user command. Click yes. Select the main program. Okay, main program. Continue. Click yes. Here we will write the, okay, for these programs here, whenever you are using this type of programming, if this PBO and PI both if we are using, compulsory we need internal table. Okay, internal table, if it is not not there, you cannot fetch directly. Last session we fetch directly from database to output directly because of PI. Okay, PI. But this class, okay, I am not writing like this. Without internal table, you cannot update directly. Okay, you will get issues. That's why now I am updating through internal table. I am updating, sorry, I am displaying the through internal table. To display that one, first we have to declare the tables. How many tables are there? KNA1 table and as well as VBAK table. Select same like data. Okay, begin of itab occurs 0. Okay, VBLN. Okay, VBLN. Okay, ERDAT. Type ERDAT. ERDAT. Type ERDAT. ERNAM. Type ERNAM. End of item. Okay, over. Okay, over. Same sequence you have to declare it. Then this is we are calling internal table declaration. But if you observe now here, let's see, save it first. Go to screen once again. Display object list. Okay, display object list. Here we have one screen is there. Just double click on screen here. Layout you can go. We maintained one name. We maintained one name for this table. See, double click on this table. We maintain one name here. Table. What is the name? Table. This table we have to write it in this code. Here we have to write here control. Table controls. Controls. Table. This is a table name I declared there. Type table view using screen 9000. This is a syntax for table control. If you don't know any syntax related information, no need to remember anything. Just write down the only controls option because this is table control. That's what controls you have to write. Two types of controls are there. One is table control, another one is tab shift control. Okay, in SAP we have two types of control. Two types of controls are there. Controls. One is a table control. Another one is tab strip control. Okay, tab strip control. Okay, table control and tab. Here table control. Okay, table control is a table purpose. Tab is different. Okay, I'll show later. If you don't know anything, just enter, press F1. Okay, press F1. Then immediately see here for declaration of table control. This is the code. Okay, just I have written that only. Let's observe now. Same code. Controls colon. This is the name. Control name. Control name is I declared is my table. Type table view using screen same as it is. DYNNR is nothing but a screen number. Okay, I am using in this screen number is 9000. That's what I have to enter that screen number. Here DYNNR is technical name. Next program, tomorrow program tab strip. That is very big program in total ABAP. This is only the big program tab strip control. Okay, many lines are there. Okay, many screens will come. Okay, very complicated related. If tomorrow I will complete this example. Okay, tab strip control. This is a declaration. We will work out later. First I will concentrate this one, table control. Okay, for table control, this is a syntax. Okay, syntax for table. Now even controls is ready. Controls is ready. And go to here descriptions. Write down case sy-ucom when okay, dis. Why dis? Select VBLN. I have to select all the fields ERD18, ERNAM, ERZ18 from VBAK into corresponding fields of table item where KUNNR is equal to KNA1-KUNNR. Over. First save it. If display is there, select query will run. Okay, last class also I told you display button, you have to write it like this type of code only. Next, I have another button is there, exit. Okay, exit. Leave the program. Then end case. Okay, end case. Okay, it is over now. Screen. Now only see by using this option means I will repeat here this step flow. Okay, here it is. I have written here select query. Now select query is working now here. By using select query, okay, select statement meant it is fetching from VBAK table data to this data. VBAK table data. The data is coming here by using this PAI. Means now PAI is triggered. Let's see. That is how it is triggered. PAI. This is only PAI. User command. What is there? This. If I click display, then data is moving to iTab. Now data will be up to iTab only. It won't come to output still. Okay. If you want to get the output also, you have to write PBO also. How to write? I will show it. First, write down these points. Yes, this is PAI. Yeah. Click on save option. Click on save. Then recording Amit. Okay. Then go to once again screen. Why? We have to write it code PBO iTab to output. To write it code, we have to double click here 9000. You have to double click here. This is over. User command is over. Now I have to double click here status. Okay, double click status. Double click on status. Click yes. Which one you have to select? Main program. Main program. Click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Here we can write it here. Okay. Move corresponding iTab to VBAK. That's it. Only one line. Here this code will work here. In the flow I will write it. In the flow PBO, here we will write it here. This is a code for the VBAK. Okay. Move corresponding. Okay, iTab. Okay. In PBO, if you write it from here, this iTab data is moving to output by using this syntax. Now I have written this move corresponding as well as I have written select statement under PAI. Both are completed. But how to loop the data? I have to loop the table and I have to loop the data also. Means to loop the data and to loop the data and to loop the table. To loop the data and table. Okay. Save it. Go to screen 9001. Don't loop here. Okay, we are not looping inside. We are looping outside. Okay, outside. Here we have to write the loop. Here for to loop the table, we have to write like this: loop at iTab with control table. This is a screen name. The table control name. This is. If you maintain any other name, that name only you have to maintain. Okay, any other name only. Okay. Then. Okay, end loop. Okay, then end loop. Okay, the same way. Okay, this is another one. Okay, loop at iTab, then end loop. Okay, over. Okay, over. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, saved. Why means this is related to table control loop. This is related to data loop. Okay, data loop. Okay, save, check and activate. Save, check and activate. Then activate the main program also. So this is active. Double click on user command. Activate this program, main program. Okay, activate this main program. Activate it. Okay, continue. Continue. Then activate full program. Okay, activate full program. Activate. Then fully activated. Then activate full program. Then go to SC93. Go to SC93. This SC93 is to create the transaction code for this table control. So SC93 is the transaction code for it. Okay, go to, just copy this program name, only this program name, and create here, open another session, go to SC93. Okay, enter here Z table, Z tab, table 11. You can enter any name, new name. Click on create button. Okay, click on create button. This you can enter here short text, table control program. Select here program and screen. Okay, select here program and screen. And click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Here you can enter the program name. You can enter here screen number. Screen number. Select here SAP GUI. Okay, SAP GUI. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Continue. Okay, one program if you are perfect, then all programs same as it is. Only program name will change, and the remaining all are screen number, everything is same as it is. No GUI support, everything, execution, everything is same. See, directly you can test it. No need to go to enter here T code. Directly you can test here only. This T code. This is a T code name, new T code name. Execute it. See, here is it working. Okay, if it is exit is working, exit also working. Then come back first. Then enter your T code here. Okay, enter your T code here. Z table 11. So it's working. Now if I enter my customer data 1000, then click on display button, it is working. Okay, working. Then if I click exit, okay, exit also working. Okay, like this. You can use here table control means any, not only 1000, you can give any 1001 customer. 1001 sales orders will display here. 1000. If you give some other customer number, 1002 sales orders, 1002 sales orders will display here. Okay, display like that. Okay, it depends upon your customer number. This data will be downloaded here. If you click exit, then it will be exit. Okay, it will be exit. This is the syntax for table control. The same syntax you can insert here. Right click on this. Right click on that. Create transaction. Insert transaction. Okay, Z table 11. Z table 11. Continue. Okay, continue. Then it is inserted. Then end user can use it directly from this screen. Okay, from this screen. Just that is only. Then you will enter according to his data. Okay, 2000. If it is 2000 is having data, it will come. If it is not there, it won't come. Here it is working. Exit. Okay, exit. This scenario we are calling table control. Means instead of normal report output, we can display the data in the form of table control. Here extra syntax is PBO and PAI both will come. PAI is general display purpose only, we can use it. PBO you can use it for internal table declarations. PBO compulsory. You have to use it for whenever you use the internal table. Okay, internal table. Okay, this is a scenario. Okay, this is a scenario. Now I am going to write the another example, okay, for you. Same wherever this customer is there, instead of customer, I am giving for your practice some data, vendor related data I am giving. You just try for that. This is my, okay, I am giving requirement. This is vendor. This table names I am changing. This is purchase data, purchase order data, purchase number, purchase date, P date, purchase order created, purchase order amount. Okay, from this one, this all fields are from, you have to try your, okay, this all fields from EKKO. This vendor is filled from LFA1 field hyphen LIFN. Same example. Okay. This is one example. Means two tables data I am giving. Here I had given KNA1. Here before we worked KVBAK. Now you just try this example. Okay, this example is total. Okay, this is the example. Okay, this is one example. And another examples I am giving. Okay, same material data means most frequently which we can use material data only. That's what you try this one. Okay, if you enter here item number, one more table I am giving. Okay, you just write down that bracket. Input is VBAP. Sorry, not VBAP. Item means EKPO hyphen EBELP. EBLP. This is the input. This one we call item number. Item number. If you enter item number, all material should come here. Okay, that material means use here table fields. All table fields from Mara material master data. Okay, MA. Under that you can use here MATNR. Okay, any dates, all the fields you can use it. All the fields. So many. Okay, so many fields you can use it here. Okay, these two examples you can work out. This is one example. Okay, these two. Okay, this is one example. EKPO Mara, EKPO and Mara. Okay, this is the input. This is output. Okay, this is output Mara. Okay, don't this is over. This example is over. Okay. Then this is another example. EKKO is one example. LFA1 is one example. Okay, one example. This is one field. This is another table. Okay. Two examples. If you work with the same table control with the display and exit button, then you will get some idea. Okay, some idea. Now I am going to explain one more program with the inner join. Okay, inner join. Inner join means how to retrieve the data from two tables. Like I want to display the data from LFA1 and EKKO, both table data. If you are displaying like this two tables data, we will use here one syntax name called inner join. This is the tilt, we can call TILT, tilt, for to connect multiple tables, to connect multiple tables. I am giving one program because this is missed out. I am giving inner join. This is an inner join program. How to declare the inner join program. Okay, that is select query only big. The remaining procedure is same as it is. And let me show the inner join program. This is the next concept. Okay, next concept. So tomorrow I will give you another concept, table control, tab strip. Today I am not going to start. Why means tab strip is more than 1.5 hours I am required. Tomorrow same time I can start it. Then by 9:30 up to 9:30 I will extend it. Okay, tomorrow. But today I will complete it, this program only. Inner join, another program. Okay, inner join is easy. Okay, inner join means connecting from n and n number of database tables and displaying the data in report format. Okay, report format. To write this inner join, first in SC38 only we can write it. No need to design any screen here. Just directly go to the SC38. Okay, directly go to SC38. Write down the program name, Zinner join. Click on create button. Okay. Steps. Okay, steps to create the inner join program. Steps to create inner join program. Go to SC38. Enter the program name. Click on create button. Enter the short description. Which program this is? Executable only this is, not module code. Executable. This is your wish. You can enter. Continue. 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 Okay. Now here we will write the code. Here, how many tables we are using? First open those tables. H11, LFA1, somewhere here LFA1, display. Open one more table, EKKO. Okay, open one more table. Open one more table. Okay, both we have to open. Why? Because field names we need. First see here, primary key is here. Okay, at least 3 fields you can take it. First you have to find out the primary key. Then only you can write the where condition. Meaning, now I am going to write here tables. How many tables we have? LFA1, EKKO. Then select options. Okay. Vendor for LFA1 hyphen LIFNR. This is input value. Okay, input value. Selection screen. Now I am going to declare the data declaration. Same declaration which we declared last session. Occur 0, comma. Okay, how many fields are? Let's open the first table. LFA1 table, not EKK. LFA1 you can. First, don't take MENDT. Take this field. What is the field name? LIFNR. What is the data element? LIFNR. Okay, copy some 3 fields. Paste it in program. I need 3 fields from the first table. I will paste it here. Just I will write it here. LIFNR, type LIFNR, comma. Then, okay, then land 1. Then, okay, then you type name 1. Like this, 3 fields are written first table. Okay, according to your fields. Okay, if you want 20 fields, you can write in 20 also, no problem. Now first table is ready. Then I will open the second table. I will copy the 3 fields from this also. But here, if you want to copy here, include also there. Don't copy the include. Include is structure. I told you. Okay, only EBLN I need. Okay, only EBLN from this one. I will write it manually. EBLN, type EBLN, because same data element. Next, BUKRS, BUKRS, BSTYP, BSTYP. BUKRS means company code. I am going to print the company code also. BUKRS, type BUKRS. Okay. Then okay, BSTYP. Okay, type BSTYP. How many fields you want? Okay, sorry. Okay, enter here. Yeah, sorry, this is a data element is different. EBSTYP. Then I have to write that one only. Check errors. Then the end of it. Oh, sorry. Okay, end of it. Now these 3 fields are from LFA1. These 3 fields are from EKK. Are written here. The 3 fields are 3 fields. But how system will identify this is from first table, this is from second table? No, I did not write any table here. Let's see here. Is there any table name? I did not write. But how system will identify? For that, we have to maintain clearly. You have to maintain clearly. Okay, select statement. Okay, select LFA1 table name also with tilt name. LIFNR. First field is over. Then second table continuously can write LFA1 tilt land1, no comma. Okay, LFA1 tilt okay, name1, like that. EKKO tilt EBLN, EKKO tilt BUKRS, sorry, comma, entered commas, don't enter comma, comma. If you enter comma, it won't work, it will throw error. BUKRS BST YP, field names only. From sorry, you cannot write it if it is this is not single table. If it is single table, directly you can write it from, but here first we have to fetch all the data to table into table itab, from LFA1 inner join of EKKO, like this we have to write it. Means all the data we are fetching to itab, then we are moving okay, from where, based on where LFA1 inner join EKKO, we have to specify here condition. Okay, on LFA1 tilt LIFNR is equal to EKKO tilt LIFNR, where LFA1 tilt LIFNR in vendor. This is the query. If you write it like this, if it is 2 tables, 3 tables, same procedure you have to follow. Same procedure. If it is third table is there, a third table, write down third table also like this. EKPO if it is there, okay, some particular POSN or something, like example I am showing. If it is there, you just add here after this one, you have to add inner join EKPO, you have to add it like that. Same procedure you can create it like one more. Okay, then one more on condition will come. Okay, that you try that one, inner join. Okay, still if it is not getting, then tomorrow class I will discuss that third table also. But now 2 tables you can practice first. Okay, now see, is there any error? Somewhere it is giving error. Okay, see, I don't want this one because third table I written. Okay, comment. For that table also you have to declare here. EKP you have to declare, field names also you have to declare. Then only it will work. Okay, then only it will work. If you want, I'll write it tomorrow, same program only. Just I will extend it. But try yourself first. Okay, this is the program. Now program is ready. Okay, I have to loop it. How to loop the data? Loop at item into, no need to write, directly item. Okay, write here itab hyphen LIFNR. 15 itab hyphen land1, itab hyphen name1. itab hyphen EVLN. Okay, itab hyphen BUKS, itab hyphen BSTYK. Okay. Then enter. Over. Same like all fields, 3 fields from first table, 3 fields from second table. Save it, check the errors, activate it. Click on activate. Okay, now I will test here. I'll test this program is running properly or not. Execute. This is vendor vendor number only 1000 first we will check it. We don't want all the data. Only one vendor, how many records are there, we will check it. So this many purchase orders data it is there. See, this candidate, same company. Okay, this is one purchase order. This is one purchase order. This is one purchase order. So many purchase orders are there for this. If you change the customer, okay, vendor number 1001, the 1001 related purchase orders will come. Welcome. This is the scenario for this particular one. The same example you can try for the customer also. The customer means here condition will vary. Condition will vary. Only here customer related fields will come KNA1 and VBAK. This example also you can try with the same two tables. One is a KNA1 table. Another one is VBAK table. If it is third table, VBAP also. Okay. This primary key is KNA1 table, KUNR table. You can write. Okay, three tables. Meaning, okay, same three tables you can write down inner join. Okay, this is inner join. Okay, inner join. Okay, this is okay what I explained here. That is also you can try for the one is vendor, one is material related. Means all three examples if you try it, at least you get some idea. Okay, idea. First practice these examples. Okay, my example. Then only you will try to write it. Okay, you will try to write it. If his third table is there, only declare third table, declare the fields from third table, and add here only on condition. Okay, inner join condition will come. That's it. The procedure is same as it is. Okay, procedure is same as. Try these three examples today with my other examples, and tomorrow class tab strip control. It is very big control program. Tab strip control programs is a very big program. Okay, I will give you syntax clearly on control statement program. Okay, control tab strip control statement. Today I will stop it. Any doubt, Amit, Praveen? Okay, inner means multiple tables data. That's it. Okay, multiple data. Okay. Satish? Satish? Okay. Amit? Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah. Try this example. If you have any, I think you already completed. Okay, no problem. You just any doubt is there, ask me. I will guide you. Three tables. Okay, three tables.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, I'll start with today. Means maybe tomorrow also same 8:15 only. I think 8:10, 8:15. I will message you. The same time I will connect it. Okay, same time. But tomorrow I will extend to up to 9:30, 9 because I have to discuss with the big program tab strip control. Okay.